Cabbage is one of the most underrated vegetables in the world, often overshadowed by trendy superfoods like kale, quinoa, or avocados. This humble leafy vegetable has quietly earned its place among the healthiest foods you can eat. Found in salads, soups, stir-fries, and fermented dishes across countless cultures, cabbage is affordable, versatile, and loaded with nutrients that can significantly improve your health. What makes cabbage especially impressive is the wide range of benefits it offers. From supporting heart health to improving digestion and even helping your skin glow, cabbage provides far more than most people realize. Green, red, and purple varieties all contain powerful vitamins, antioxidants, and plant compounds that can help protect your body from disease while supporting overall wellness. If you've been overlooking cabbage at the grocery store, it may be time to take another look. Here are 10 surprising health benefits of cabbage that might convince you to add more of this nutritional powerhouse to your meals. Number 1. Cabbage strengthens your immune system. One of the biggest health benefits of cabbage is its ability to support the immune system. Cabbage is packed with vitamin C, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in protecting the body from infections and illnesses. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for defending the body against harmful bacteria and viruses. Red cabbage is especially rich in vitamin C, sometimes containing even more than oranges per serving. This powerful antioxidant also helps neutralize free radicals that can damage cells and weaken the immune system over time. Regularly eating cabbage may help your body recover faster from colds and reduce inflammation that contributes to chronic disease. In addition to vitamin C, cabbage also contains other beneficial nutrients such as vitamin A and antioxidants that work together to strengthen your body's natural defenses. Number 2. Cabbage supports healthy digestion. Digestive health is another area where cabbage truly shines. Cabbage contains a high amount of dietary fiber, which helps keep the digestive system running smoothly. Fiber adds bulk to stool and supports regular bowel movements, reducing the risk of constipation and discomfort. Cabbage also contains compounds that may help protect the lining of the stomach and intestines. Traditionally, cabbage juice has even been used as a natural remedy for stomach ulcers because of its potential healing properties. The amino acid glutamine found in cabbage may help soothe the digestive tract and support gut repair. Fermented cabbage products like sauerkraut and kimchi are especially beneficial because they contain probiotics. These healthy bacteria help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is linked to improved digestion, stronger immunity, and even better mental health. Number 3. Cabbage may reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but diet can play a major role in prevention. Cabbage contains several nutrients and plant compounds that support cardiovascular health. Red cabbage is rich in anthocyanins, which are pigments responsible for its deep purple color. Research suggests that anthocyanins may help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Cabbage also contains potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body. The fiber found in cabbage may also help lower cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive system and helps remove it from the body before it can build up in the arteries. By improving cholesterol and blood pressure levels, cabbage contributes to a healthier heart and circulatory system. Number 4. Cabbage helps fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been linked to many serious diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and certain cancers. Fortunately, cabbage contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. One of the most powerful compounds in cabbage is sulforaphane, a natural plant chemical known for its protective effects. Sulforaphane may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation at the cellular level, lowering the risk of chronic illness. Red cabbage is especially rich in antioxidants, including polyphenols and flavonoids. These compounds help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Adding cabbage to your diet regularly may help your body manage inflammation more effectively and support long-term health. Number 5. Cabbage can improve skin health. Healthy skin often starts from within, and cabbage contains several nutrients that can support a clearer, healthier complexion. Vitamin C plays an important role in collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Collagen is essential for reducing wrinkles and keeping skin youthful. The antioxidants found in cabbage may also help protect the skin from environmental stressors such as pollution and UV damage. These antioxidants fight free radicals that contribute to premature aging and dull skin. Cabbage also contains sulfur compounds that may support detoxification and promote healthier skin. Some people even apply cooled cabbage leaves directly to irritated skin as a traditional home remedy for swelling and discomfort. Number 6. Cabbage may help with weight loss. If you are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy body weight, cabbage can be an excellent addition to your diet. Cabbage is very low in calories while still being filling and nutritious. A large serving provides plenty of fiber and water, which can help you feel full longer without consuming too many calories. Because cabbage is so versatile, it can easily replace higher calorie ingredients in meals. It works well in soups, salads, wraps, stir-fries, and side dishes. Its satisfying crunch and texture make it a great option for people looking to reduce processed foods and eat more whole vegetables. Unlike many diet foods that leave you hungry shortly after eating, cabbage provides lasting fullness while delivering important nutrients your body needs. Number 7. Cabbage supports bone health. Strong bones require more than just calcium, and cabbage contains several nutrients that contribute to bone strength and density. One of the most important is vitamin K, which plays a critical role in bone metabolism and blood clotting. Vitamin K helps the body use calcium more effectively and supports the proteins involved in maintaining strong bones. Studies suggest that people who consume adequate amounts of vitamin K may have a lower risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Cabbage also contains smaller amounts of calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all of which contribute to healthy bones. Adding cabbage to a balanced diet may help support skeletal health as you age. Number 8. Cabbage may help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes, but cabbage contains nutrients that may naturally support healthier blood pressure levels. Potassium is one of the key minerals found in cabbage. Potassium helps relax blood vessels and counteract the effects of excess sodium in the body. This balance can help improve circulation and reduce strain on the cardiovascular system. Red cabbage also contains anthocyanins, which have been associated with lower blood pressure in several studies. Eating cabbage regularly as part of a healthy diet may help support better vascular health and improve overall circulation. Number 9. Cabbage contains cancer-fighting compounds. Cabbage belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, which includes broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables are known for containing compounds that may help protect against certain types of cancer. One of the most important compounds is glucosinolates. When cabbage is chopped or chewed, glucosinolates break down into biologically active substances such as sulforaphane and indole-3-carbonyl. Researchers believe these compounds may help block the growth of cancer cells and support the body's natural detoxification processes. While no single food can prevent cancer entirely, studies consistently show that diets rich in cruciferous vegetables are associated with a lower risk of several cancers, including colon, breast, and lung cancer. Number 10. Cabbage promotes better brain health. Many people are surprised to learn that cabbage may also benefit the brain. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in cabbage help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline and aging. Vitamin K, found abundantly in cabbage, may also support brain function by contributing to healthy nerve signaling. Some studies suggest that diets rich in leafy and cruciferous vegetables may help preserve memory and cognitive performance as people age. The folate in cabbage is another important nutrient for brain health. Folate supports healthy brain development and function while helping regulate mood and mental clarity. Cabbage may not receive the same attention as other trendy health foods, but its nutritional value is truly impressive. This affordable and widely available vegetable offers a powerful combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that can support nearly every part of the body. From boosting immunity and improving digestion to protecting the heart and supporting brain function, cabbage delivers an incredible range of health benefits. Whether you enjoy it raw in salads, cooked in soups, or fermented into probiotic-rich dishes like kimchi and sauerkraut. There are countless ways to include cabbage in your diet. Sometimes the healthiest foods are not the most expensive or glamorous. Cabbage proves that simple, everyday ingredients can still provide extraordinary health benefits when eaten regularly as part of a balanced lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.